Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, 8th October 2005. SLOs of this lesson are: demonstrate use of be, have, to and need as man or helping verb in sentences. Now look here on page number 45, verbs. We have a very good idea of what is verb. It's a part of speech and it indicates to an action or a situation or being something. Like be, do, have, need as main verb and auxiliary verb. We also call it auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb has the main verb and is also called a helping verb. With auxiliary verbs, you can write sentences in different tenses, mood or voices. Look here, the examples as an auxiliary verb. The word be here. She is preparing dinner for us. Be here means indicating the being in a situation. Here the auxiliary verb is here. Is referring to the present situation. She is doing right now. She is preparing dinner right now. And what is the main verb here? Yes, preparing is the main verb. And the auxiliary is a helping verb here, helping the main verb to complete a sentence. And the tense here is the present tense, present situation here we have. Now the second example, he was received by his friend. Here the was is also an auxiliary verb and it indicates to the past situation. He was received. The action is done in the past. Is referred to the present situation and was refers to the past situation. The action is done. He received by his friend. Here the received is the main verb and the was is a helping or auxiliary verb. It is helping the main verb here. Like here, they were studying all night. Where is the helping or auxiliary verb here? And it indicating that they means we have people, group of people here. He is the singular person here and they refers to the plural here. So he was and they were. For he, she, it and any person we use was in the past situation, and for I, you, we, they we use were in the past situation. As a main verb here, look here. She is a doctor. Here we have no other main verb here. So here the is a main verb here. They were here. My friends are late. So we are having these as main verb, is, were and are, because we have no main verb here. This is acting like a main verb here. These words here, is, were and are. The second one, do. I do not know the truth. Know is the main verb here and do not is a helping or an auxiliary verb. Do you want to have another one? I do agree with you. The do is an auxiliary verb here. This is the question form. We have done the shopping. She did her homework. I am doing my homework. Here the doing, did or done is the main verb here. Done in the present perfect tense. Did is the past simple tense and doing is the present continuous tense. I know you are familiar with all the tenses. Have. I have been following you for a mile. Following is the main verb and the have is the auxiliary or helping verb. We have done a lot so far. She had been leader of the party. I have a car. We had a lot of homework. Her father will have a good job. Here had, have and have are the main verb. And here the auxiliary verb. Had refers to the past. Someone had something. And have, someone have something right now in present situation. They have it, still they have it. Look here, the need, she need not hurry. She need look at the picture only. He need no more reply. As an auxiliary verb here and as a main verb here, he needs to come with us. They do not need to hurry. He need make no protest. Here the need word working as a main verb. This is the exercise of it on page number 46. Read the following sentences carefully and choose the helping verb. The first one, Jamila is studying for her science test right now. Now spot out the right one here. You have to choose the helping verb. Which one is the helping verb? Now studying is or for. Yes, obviously studying is the main verb here and is acting like a helping verb or helping the main verb to complete the sentence. Yes, is the right option here. The second one, Alina will be studying French next year. We have discussed this in our examples. Studying is the main verb. Yes, and the be is here the helping verb. The third one, Farid can go to the movies tonight. Here, the can is acting as a helping verb and go is the main verb here. I want you to choose the right option for these three too. Now look here, the section B. Read the following sentences carefully and choose the main verb. Now you have to choose the main verb here. They are very good teachers. We have the leading verb here, the main verb here. So obviously this is very obvious, very clear to you. The R is a main verb here. The second one, have you done the washing up yet? The option we have done yet up. What will be the main verb here? Yes, done here. We have both have and the done, but the main verb is done here. This is the right option here. Now the third one, I have two brothers and a sister. We have no main verb here, so the right answer is have. Yes. Choose the correct option for these sentences by yourself. This is your homework from Summer Pack, page number 25. This is also your homework from Summer Pack, page number 26. And we also have an activity here of helping verbs and the main verbs. This is your homework from textbook, page number 38. This is the page from unit 4 of the text. You have to read this paragraph here and identify the main and auxiliary verb in the sentences. In each sentence, you have to find the helping verbs and the main verbs. Like in this sentence, the is the helping verb here and the shaking is the main verb here. You have to write like this in an abbreviation form, in the short form. Helping verb and the main verb. Like this. Just underline all the helping verb and main verb from these paragraphs. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.